Welcome to the dyno room here at KPE Racing. We just got through dynoing this blown big block Chevrolet. It's 532 cubic inch combination with a 1471 on methanol. Dart iron block, Brodix BB3X 380 heads, T&D shaft rockers. This thing is a Cryer crankshaft, GRP aluminum connecting rods, CP pistons. And this is a Fowler F11 blower, all Enderley fuel system. Pretty basic combination. We used to build a lot of these. This one was originally built back in 2013, and it just came in for a freshen up and a tune up. Larry was looking for more power. He's putting this in his Bickle 63 Corvette and going and doing some half mile racing. And so we put a really fat, safe tune up on it since it's going to be at wide open throttle for so long doing the half mile racing. And but we cleared 2,000 horsepower with these still. This combination, if we were really hunting power, it'll clear 2,500 with these. So this thing's a very conservative tune-up at 2,000. And so we did all that dynoing yesterday. We let it cool off overnight. We've pickled the fuel system, and then Lee's over here. He just got through pulling the rockers off of it and retorquing the heads. We do that with every engine combination, whether it's big block or LS or whatever it is. If it's copper head gaskets with O-rings and receiver grooves, we do the dyno session, let it cool off overnight, retorque the heads, pickle the fuel system, and it's ready to go home. So I look forward to seeing Larry go break the overall record. Is it shift sector? Shift sector. All right. I'm sorry. Excuse me. That's a new sanctioning body, new form of racing to me, but it sounds pretty cool. I'm anxious to see it do it.